Hey everybody, today I am challenging myself to use up all of the junk mail I get in 1 week and use it in a craft project. And with the help of my Surebonder glue gun and my gel press, I'm going to create a pocket page junk journal. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel and press the notification bell. And if you're an old friend, pop in and say hello in the comments because I love hearing from you. Now you ready? Let's make a pocket page junk journal with all of my junk mail. The first unsolicited bulk email was reportedly sent in 1978 by Gary Thurk, a marketing manager promoting a new model of computer. Over 100 billion pieces of junk mail are delivered in the US every year. The Sightline Institute says that each American receives an average of 41 pounds of junk mail per year. That's a lot of junk mail. I'm going to leave a link to Surebonder and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the original Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I'll see you next week. Bye.